loves, so today we're going to do a chit chat get ready with me. I asked you guys on Instagram, follow me here on Instagram, what video you guys wanted to see the most, what you wanted me to film, because I knew that I was going to be filming this weekend. Today is Saturday. Of course, you won't see us till sometime next week. But the number one thing requested was a chit chat get ready with me. I am also trying out the Colourpop foundation, so I do already have most of my base on. I haven't even set my under eyes or anything, but I have the Colourpop No Filter foundation in 0.5 on my face, and then I have Shape Tape under my eyes and the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer on my lids. But anyway, before we get into this, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. All right, let's do this. All right, so first of all, I need to set my under eyes. What am I doing? But I figured since we were just chatting, this video was going to be extra long anyway, so it'll be okay. So I'm just going to set my under eyes. This is just the Physicians Formula Mineral Correcting Powder and Translucent. So I'm just going to use my damp sponge and set my under eyes and my lids. So how's it going, guys? I asked you guys what you guys wanted me to talk about, and the number one thing that everyone asked about was school. How is school going? School is going great. I really love it. I'm very happy. Obviously, I am just naturally a stressed out person. I just can't help it. I come from, I feel like most of the people in my family are worriers. We just are. It's just how we are. It's what we do. So no matter the situation, I will always be a worrywart. I will always be worried. I will always want to do my best and everything. But I can say that I'm very thankful to be able to work this out, that I'm able to do this right now. It's really scary for me to not have a steady income. I make very little off of YouTube. I mean, obviously it's a big help, and that's why I continue to do it. And I love this so much that I chose to keep doing this instead of getting another job. But I have to be at school pretty much full time, Monday through Friday. Oh, Luna, always. Even though I spend more hours working on YouTube than I would another job to make the same amount of money, it's worth it to me because I love it so much. I'm just setting my nose area with the Ultra Contour Kit from Revolution. I'm just mixing these two. She wanted to say hi, always. You want to say hi? In my brand new sweater. Hi. They're so cute. She's such a sweet babe. Always. I'm trying to think what else they have. One question was, can you do a 10-minute or less makeup routine for those who don't have the time? Yeah, I can definitely do that soon. I'm not doing that today. I'm sorry that I feel like doing a more dramatic look today, but I definitely can do that for you. I know that I've done a quick makeup look where it's a quick makeup look for me, but I know that my quick makeup looks are still a lot more than the average person wants to do. So yes, I will definitely try and do that soon for you guys. I had someone, Nini Marie 77, ask, what do you think of the Tati Kiki channel drama over the Emily palettes? I'm gonna be real, I haven't really watched a lot of it, but I will say I don't think it's right, the things that people were saying to Tati. I understand that she has her opinions. I really like the palettes. If she didn't, that's cool. It's just makeup. People have different preferences, and I cannot believe the way people were attacking her over not liking the palette. The things that I saw that were said to her were just completely uncalled for. Do not go into that. So I'm just gonna do my brows really quick while I'm chatting with you guys. I'm going to use the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in soft brown, and then the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel in Blonde. Love, love, loving this, and still love this. I can't read the full name, so I'm just going to answer the question because some of them cut off on this question thing, but it says, what is your stance on marriage? Kids? Are you married? Do you plan on getting married? Do you plan on having kids? I am not married. I am in a relationship. I've been in the same relationship for the past 7 years. My boyfriend's name is Nick. We are not married. I don't know, ask him about marriage. Kids, I have endometriosis, which I haven't talked about. You guys know, I mean, anyone that's been here for a while knows that I have so many health issues that, first of all, I'm not sure I could even get pregnant if I really wanted to get pregnant. And second of all, with all of my health issues, it's hard enough taking care of myself and my cats. And it literally takes every ounce of energy to go to school every day, to film and edit videos, I've been starting to work out a little bit because I'm trying to take better care of myself because I actually have been able to, because my muscles and joints don't hurt as bad because I'm not on my feet 8+ hours a day like I was. So, maybe, I know that I'm getting older and that before I know it, it's going to be too late. But at this time, it's not the right time. So I know that I know I would love to give my parents grandbabies because I know that they would love that. But I know that they understand completely. So I don't know if I'll ever get married. I don't know. I used to like dream of getting married and having babies, and the older I get, the more I'm just like, I don't know. I'm just living. I look at life differently now, and I'm just kind of living in the moment, and that's all you can really do. That's all you can do, I guess. I hope that doesn't offend anyone. I know that some people get offended when I say that I don't know if I want kids. It's not that I don't want kids. I just don't think, it's just hard. I'm just gonna keep doing my makeup with this, sorry, not sorry, it's completely destroyed, but this is just the Ultra Contour Kit, again, from Revolution. I'm just gonna keep doing my makeup. Let me see what another question is. Oh, Helena. She said, how are you so goddamn gorgeous, you queen? How are you so goddamn gorgeous, you queen? Caitlin. Oh, I love you guys. Caitlin, I go to school with. She is an absolute angel, and I adore her. She's like, I'm your biggest fan. What are you doing? This? I Chunky Nug asked, what's your biggest fear? Loss. After, oh, I'll get emotional. But after the whole last year where I guess it's been over a year now since I've lost Dior, but losing Dior and then Luna's back there. And then everything I went through with my sister being in the hospital for over 6 months, like I think loss is my biggest fear. My friend Yvonne asked, what do you order at Olive Garden? I haven't been to Olive Garden in a hot minute. Now Binks is back. I'm just going to let them do their thing. But the last time I was there, I think I got pizza, which I know is not like, I don't know if that's like normal that people order pizza at Olive Garden, but I like pizza. Key Lips and Fat Hips asked, how do you stay motivated to keep up a YouTube channel? You guys, 100%. 100% you guys. The love and connection that I have with all of you is 100%. I'd like to think that if no one was watching, I'd still do it. I mean, in the beginning, barely, like no one was watching and I still did it because I loved it. But now I think it's 100% you guys. It's just the passion and the love. Like I love makeup. It's harder now that I don't have disposable income to really buy the makeup that I was buying. So that's one thing. But again, so like, I mean, it's just more proof that it's 100% like the love for you guys, not just the love for makeup. You guys, I have been literally obsessed with this blush from Shop Miss A. It's in Ravish. It's one of their Lumi blushes. So glowy. I'm going to try and do not too much, which is hard on my fair skin because I want to do kind of a bold eye, but I just love it. It makes your skin look so glowy. We're just going to use Strobe Globe, I think, today. Forgive my nails, per usual. They're a mess. I like a bold highlight anyway. I'm going to go back with my blush brush and blend. Impressions of people with your colorful hair and what do you do about it when it's negative? I honestly don't. I mean, I get people that stare at me when I have colorful hair. It is what it is. It was actually really nice for a minute to have blonde hair and not feel like people looked at me funny. But I don't go like out in public a lot. And before, when I always had colorful hair, I worked at Hot Topic. And I like lived in Hot Topic. So it wasn't that common for people to look at me weird. I definitely have in the past. I think I have a whole video on, it's like the bullying at any age video where I talk about how I went to Walmart and some guy literally acted like I was the devil because my hair was bright red and like looked me up and down and like told me like did this at me. It was very strange. But I think the older you get, the less you're just, I mean, I assume honestly that people are staring at me because I'm fat way before I assume they're staring at me because of my hair, I guess. I did just do this on a whim. I'm going to see how light it gets when I do my roots because usually when I do my roots and the bleach washes through my hair, it takes away most of the color anyway. So I'm not sure. I might do a baby pink after this. It's turned way more purple based than I wanted it to, but it was kind of just a, you know, whatever thing. But now I don't have any extensions that match this hair and it's a mess and I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This palette came in the mail. This is going to be in next month's Boxycharm. They sent it out early. It was in this cute little kit. Here's the front of it. It completely fell apart though in the mail. And then I just dropped it when I got down here. So all the little bottles that were in it of like scented oils went away. So maybe you'll see it on someone else's. But thank you. Big thank you to Boxycharm and to, I think is it Ace Beauty? Beaute? I want to say Beaute, like Beaute. Anyway, so they sent us this palette early so that we could show you guys. And it looks so beautiful. And I have been obsessed with like red eye looks for a while now. I'm going to play with this guy today. So we're going to start with Clove, this peachy shade. I think I'm going to mainly use the red and the pink but we're just going to start with that clove and put it in the crease. So I don't know. I just feel like you should do whatever hair color you want. It's like you should be 100% who you want. Oh, these are pigmented. Girl, that's so much more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. I've heard really good things about this brand though, so I'm really excited. So if you guys do like this palette and want to get it in your Boxycharm, there's a link down below for you to sign up for Boxycharm. It is an affiliate link. This video is not sponsored in any way. They just sent the palette. But it's down there if you want them to know that I sent you. So I believe every single person will be getting this palette in next month's box. And well, in this month's box, in November's box. From Shelly May. She said, "Hey Shannon, hope you're okay. I have a question for you. As a fellow chronic illness survivor, how do you manage your illness alongside studies, being a cat mom, a content creator, and general life? I struggle at times." It's a struggle. It's always a struggle. I mean, any sort of chronic illness is a struggle. I have very minimal of a social life because I have to use any energy that I have. For those that don't know, I have an autoimmune disease. It's technically undiagnosed. I have arthritis in my whole body. It affects my muscles and my joints. Chronic fatigue, chronic pain. I have endometriosis. I have a lot of things wrong with me. I feel bad, especially when I meet new people. Like I've been telling people at school, like, a little bit about it, because when people see you limping and they don't know, they're going to be like, what's wrong with you? And then I get embarrassed, and I just would rather let the people that are closer to me know what's wrong with me ahead of time, to like, just so you know, like, just what's happening. Or like yesterday, I forgot to take my medication, so I was super swollen and super worried about like doing this wax, because if I take my medication and I treat my body right, and I've been eating a lot healthier, it's helped a lot. I've been exercising more, which does make me more tired. But in turn, some days I do feel better. I don't know. It's just a balance. It's just a balance. It's just a balance. That's all I can say. Some days are definitely harder than others. And just know that you are stronger than you even give yourself credit for. I try and remind myself that I'm stronger than I give myself credit for. I know that I'm often viewed as lazy, especially because I'm overweight, which I gained even more weight when I started a newer medication in the last year. So it's hard, and it makes it incredibly difficult for me to lose weight. And like, it's hard because I can't work out every single day. I'm lucky and I'm blessed that I'm able to work out at all right now. That sounds weird, but like, I've always wanted to be able to work out. I want to feel strong, and I often feel very weak because of my illness. I'm gonna go with Poppy, that red in the crease. I don't know if that answers your question. I think it's just, you have to be a little bit selfish. You have to be a little bit selfish. You have to surround yourself with people who understand, because if you don't have people that understand, it's going to make things so much more difficult. But luckily, my family understands and my best friend understands. That's how I deal with it. And I push myself harder than I should sometimes, but that's, my own fault. I worry that with my arthritis that, some days I won't be able to do all the things that I want to do, but I don't know. You just keep trying, you just keep going. And things have definitely improved since I've stopped working on my feet 40 hours plus a week. I have to say that. So I'm very, very thankful for that. I don't know how I did that for so long. It literally got to the point where I was crying every night because I'd get home trying to like, as soon as I got home, I'd have to lay down in my bed because my legs hurt so bad. And then there were nights where like it took me forever to get to the bathroom. It's so upsetting when your body feels like it's betrayed you and you just want to go pee, and like it hurts so bad. And it's just, so even on days that are bad now, they're like a fraction. My bad days now are probably like my good days then. So I'm so thankful. It's nice to finally, instead of being so angry at my body and at myself for something I can't control. I can't control that I have an autoimmune disease. I can't control that I have arthritis. But people look at you. I think that's the hardest part of it, is people looking at you like it's all related to weight. I just feel that's just like, maybe that's a personal thing. I have had situations in my life where people have insinuated that I'm lazy, and I wish that they knew or experienced a day like in the life of me at my like worst. I don't know if I'm even answering the question at all. It's figuring out a schedule that works for you. So like, I have class Monday through Friday. And I have uploads Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I need to get better at editing ahead of time, just in case. I've been really good at like still getting my videos up, even if I feel like crap. But I feel like if I were to get ahead again, then I would be in a much better space. I get up, given I don't have class until 2:30, but because I stay up so late the night before editing, I usually just get up, go to class, come home, make dinner while I work out. and then I edit, and then I go to bed, go to school. It's just figuring out a schedule that works for you. It's literally all I do. That's all I do. And then if I'm lucky, I see my family and my best friend on the weekend. You just have to find what's right for you and do what you can do to the extent that you can do it. And I truly think that it's only because I love doing this so much that I put in the time to keep doing it. More questions about school. I'm just so happy to be there. I like being there. I like the people I'm with. I'm so lucky that we have such a good group of girls. It's all women, and I just feel really blessed, and they've all been really supportive, and I just feel like it's a good environment, and I feel like I've already made some lifelong friends. And I've only been there for like, what, a month and a half? I've had 3 exams so far, and I have done pretty well on all of them. I want to know about your lives, guys. I want to know how you guys are doing. I want to know what's up. Someone asked if I'd ever get my septum pierced. I really wanted it, and there was definitely a time that I was like, yeah, I'm going to get it. And then I tried on a fake one, and it didn't look cute on me. Like, my nose kind of turns up, and I feel like it just drew so much attention to my nostrils. I feel like if my nose was didn't turn up like a little elf nose or something, that it would be better. I think they're so cute on people. It was like too much attention on my nostrils for me. I still kind of want my like side nose pierced. I've always wanted a hoop, but I don't know. I feel like I've done the piercing thing. Okay, I think I'm gonna put rose on my lid, which is that hot pink. I'm just gonna use my fingertip. I'm gonna take just a little bit of jasmine, this light shade right there. Just pop it right there. Not too much, but I just want a little bit. I'm trying to use just this palette, so maybe I'll try this one. Just cinnamon. Ugh, look at that shade. By the way, look at this palette. Can we talk about it? It's so pretty. It's so pretty, girl. So I'm gonna take a little tiny bit just on the tip of this brush and see. I don't want it to look too orange though, because I want to keep this super. Oh, that helps. That works. It layers really well with that red. I'm gonna mix cinnamon and poppy and just deepen this outer corner a little bit. My friend Alyssa asked when I started coloring my hair. I started coloring my hair, I think, in ninth grade. I think it was ninth grade because I'm pretty sure I was going to Mount Spokane. Pretty sure. Luna's jumping on the vanity. What's new? I'm just gonna do a wing liner. I'm just using my Physicians Formula for right now, and it's literally been almost nonstop since. There's been a few times where I've taken a break and gone back to my natural color for like a year, but then I just go right back to it. Seem to. And I've had a bunch of gray hair since I was 19, so I kind of have just been like, I gotta dye my hair anyway and not have a fun color. Okay, I'm gonna put on some mascara and some lashes, and I'll just be right back because the girl cannot multitask. I think I'm just gonna use these Morphe Sunset Boulevard lashes. They look really pretty, real pretty. So I'm gonna give these a go, and then I'm just gonna use my Stila mascara. So be right back. Okay, loves, I'm going to put on my favorite lip combo right now, which is the Revolution Chauffeur Lip Liner with the Liquid Linen and Natalie from BH Cosmetics. This combination, this nude is so beautiful. It is just like the perfect nude. I need to sharpen this. All right, love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed this kind of Q&A style chit chat, get ready with me. Please leave any other questions you have in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them in a future Q&A or chit chat, get ready with me. Yeah, thank you so much for all of your questions. I hope this didn't seem too down, but I mean, it's real life. And I mean, you guys asked the question, so clearly you wanted to know. And I hope that me sharing with you helps you a little bit, because you guys sharing with me, I know helps me a little bit. Actually a whole lot when you guys share with me. So thank you for that. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Okay. I think I just stabbed myself in the eye with that sponge. Off to a great start, Shannon. It's all the time. My brain is not here. Mineral wear. I don't know why it took me forever to just say that, but it did. Oh, I just put foundation on. Don't lick my face, baby. This is the... What? Get together, Shannon. Rewind. Oh, she's so cute. Look at that baby. Oh my god, I didn't even put a lip on. I like acted like the video was over and I didn't even put a lip on. What am I doing with my life? And I will do my very best to answer a bit. Can't speak.